And then
I don't know how you would and then one day did like glutes and core and
right, deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Same thing right here. Deep breath in. Right. This way. Right. Same thing on this left side. There you go. Pretty good?
I needed it like so bad.
Life changing.